Shalom and welcome to Mitzvot Torah. This year is in honor of the Talmud wedding. Talmud married Shia last week, and it's Hashem that built the Bais Nema Yisrael. And Hashem was zocha to learn a few topics regarding Nisuin and Chuppah and Sheva Brachos in their honor. So, a fascinating question. A woman has a choice to wear a peya, Shaitel, which covers all her hair, not a full, but a full Shaitel. Covers everything, or a Tichel, but she'll have some hair exposed. Fascinating question, and the answer very much depends who you ask. So some Ashkenazic poskim will say that a Shaitel is better if it's going to cover all your hair, as opposed to a Tichel where you're going to have some hair out. No hair should be out. Better to go ahead and wear a Shaitel. Even if it's a nice fancy Shaitel, better that and cover your hair, because something there's an absolute din. While Shaitel, many say it's not so tzanua. If you're looking to get attention, not so nice. But if it's a modest Shaitel, so it does the job of covering your hair, all your hair is covered and better than a Tichel that goes ahead and leaves some hair uncovered. However, the Yalkut Yosef, Tzvayis Mahon, of Yitzchak Yosef, quoting his father, Yabia Omer, is very, very harif against Shaitels. Normally, Rav Yosef, Tzfadik Minhag, Ashkenazic Minhag, defends its Ashkenazic Minhag. Over here, nothing to talk about. Very harif. A Shaitel is wrong. It goes in and makes the woman look like she's married and more beautiful. That's not the purpose of the Shaitel. Halachically, ashkafically, a Shaitel is wrong. A woman's has to be covered with a hat, with a tichel, and that's kisei rosh. You'll say, yeah, but a woman often with a tichel is going to have some hair uncovered. He says, better have some hair uncovered and have a tichel cover the rest. And the quote of Moshe Feinstein that tefach up to a tefach could be uncovered, which means about 2 etzba'ot. That height of 2 etzba'ot, a couple centimeters, and it goes 8 centimeters across, right? There's about 2 tefach, a tefach and a tefach. And that combination, where you have half a tefach, a half tefach of height with 2 tefachim, is just about a tefach. Rav says that's fine to leave that uncovered. Maybe it's not ideal, but it halachically is acceptable. And Rav Vadia goes in and says that maybe he thinks it should be a little bit less. Of course, if you have a tefach, that might be erva the right exposed. If you have half a tefach, a little bit more, that might be drabana because it's row of a tefach. So he goes into the shim how much. Maybe it should just be 1 finger length, a tiny amount that could be exposed. But still better have something exposed and at least have a tefach cover everything else. L'maaseh, what one should do, of course, is to talk to a posek. And one has to talk to a posek. The Sfardim, Kugolik Rav Vadia, he's harif against the Shaitels. And that should be discussed. And Ashkenazim also have to be discussed with the posek, because some quote Rav Yashiv that he was not into the Shaitels. This is besides the whole question of Avodah Zarah that came up besides that issue in terms of the tznius. There's been a lot of discussion over the years about that. So this is just a little bit of an overview. And of course, halacha l'mayis, a practical halacha, one should talk to that posek. Shalom.